Express. Which floor are you going to?
One, please.
Level 1. These lifts are still pretty efficient despite the fact that they've had the buttons replaced, but maybe they haven't changed that much mechanically. They're express lifts which have had the buttons replaced with Everbright, I believe it is. Or it might be with Everbright.
It's Dewhurst.
Oh yeah, Dewhurst. They look very similar, so it can be hard to tell the difference.
Yeah.
Now I've got level 9. Won't do it again. Ground. 920 kgs or 13 persons. Fairly basic interior. Fairly nice interior actually with the wooden panels. Wonder who did this modernisation. There we are. Right. There it goes, and that's it.